Stop laughing when you know nothing. Stop talking when you don't know what you are defending. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to talk about what we see in life but we don't understand. Listen to me. She might be ugly, but she can provide what you want. She might be not sexy, but she can always defend you. And she might be sexy, but she doesn't know what to do with her life. She might be beautiful, but she don't know how to be a housewife. And we don't need a woman who can't cook. We don't need a wife who look her phone the whole day. We don't need a woman who can't be a household. We don't need a woman who love clubs. And if you are one of those women, sorry, we won't marry you. In fact, no one wants to build a family with you. He might be handsome, but he don't know how to love a woman. But he know how to play ladies instead. Look, he might be rich, but you don't know how many people died before he became rich. You love him because he can provide anything that you want, but you don't know how much blood he needs so that he can provide you with anything. Just please listen to me. Just find someone who is the same level as you. Just find someone who you can create a history with, because life starts with hard and with easy. Because in this world you can write a book but become hard to read it. In this life there is someone who can ride a horse that you can't ride. In this life there is someone you wish to be like him or her, but you can't. But if you stay in your limit, you can do something better for tomorrow. Because you are not great until you release greatness to someone else. You are not kind until you release kindness to someone else. That's why we call you bad person, because you always think bad things for others. So do what is hard right now so that it can be easy tomorrow.